With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Video we are discussing question number 9. Prepare minutes for an official meeting that was held in XYZ company or in your company where you are working to discuss the quarterly sales report of the product and future plans to promote it further. This is the 5-mark questions. If you need answers, contact us. Thank you so much for watching.